Hey everyone, it's Samantha, and today I'm going to show you a little behind the scenes of how I touch up my favorite copperhead client. And we're transitioning her from a very vivid redhead to more of a natural. Today we did a new install of 1.5 rows, and I custom colored all of these extensions into this. And as you know, copper hair color is so finicky, so it was 3 color applications to achieve that final result for the extensions. And around my client's face, we did some face framing highlights to give her some brightness, and that's my placement for 1 row. And once we installed the wefts, my assistant and I started curling her hair with our favorite 1-inch extra long barrel from Bioionic to help achieve the beautiful beach wave results that we all love. And can't you see how beautiful that color is? She has the dimension, it's soft yet bright, and it will blend so well with her regrowth. If any of you have assistants out there, this is how my assistant and I curl our client's hair together. So I personally like styling around the client's hair myself, and my assistant will curl more of the back of her hair. I feel it's best as the stylist, or I should say the lead stylist of coloring your client and styling your client. You want to be able to put your own finishing touches, your own signature finishes on the client. So that's why I prefer to do all the styling around the face. And that way the client feels that I have more of an upper hand on the styling with their service for that day. And here is her final result. You can see it's dimensional, it's bright, beautiful, and how gorgeous is this golden copper color. It's my absolute favorite. All the details are below. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want more of these videos.